Towns and cities across Connecticut are working to keep up with all the snow.
And it's now putting a strain on resources and budgets. NBC Connecticut's Kevin Geis joins us live from Durham tonight with the details there. Kevin.
Yeah, Kevin, Amber, good afternoon to you both. I don't think this is really a unique problem to any one town or city across the state. The reality is we've just had a lot of snow over the last few weeks, and it's putting a strain on a whole lot in these towns. Statewide snow removal continues. Towns and cities know what to do, but are feeling the strain.
Put a drain on our winter cleanup budget.
Durham First Selectman Brendan Ray says salt is in short supply, so they've entered conservation mode to make it through the rest of winter, estimating they have enough for just a couple more storms. But that isn't unique to them.
Our whole area, the whole state is in a salt shortage.
And their snow removal budget run over. The timing of the storms and their frequency creating the biggest impact.
Most of these storms have been on Sundays, which our union gets paid double time, and so it's put quite a burden on this town, for sure.
But the work presses on. Roadways are clear with crews still out. Up the street, crews in Middletown making quick work of Main Street.
They're usually pretty quick.
Local shops like Brewbakers appreciate the city clearing so customers can make it in.
It helps us a lot, So if people can't park, they're not gonna waste their time. They're gonna go somewhere else.
But all that work has costs climbing there too. The mayor has requested an additional $450,000 be approved by the Common Council to cover snow removal. This on top of the usual $400,000 to $500,000 budgeted for snow. They hope this extra funding will carry them through to spring. Back in Durham, the First Selectman says crews are still hard at work and will be hard at work. This has just been a harsh winter, and no matter what, you have to clear it.
Our town crew has been working, mostly around the clock, and they've had a real rough winter, and just have some patience.
And I reached out to the State Department of Transportation with a question about how towns and cities could procure some of that salt. They say they're working with emergency management to help connect some of these towns and cities to potential vendors so they can get their hands on salt in case there are any future storms. We're live in Durham tonight. Kevin Geis, NBC Connecticut News.